Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan, after the death of Ali radiallahu anh, claimed to be the leader of the Muslims. And another group made Al-Hasan ibn Ali the leader of the Muslims. So in essence, it was the first time in Islamic history that you had two leaders. Some who were supporting Muawiyah radiallahu anh, who was in Sham, and some who were supporting Al-Hasan ibn Ali radiallahu anh, who was in Kufa at the time. Because Ali radiallahu anh, when he became the leader, he left Medina and he went to Kufa. And he made his headquarters over in Kufa, and so his family was all there. So Al-Hasan radiallahu anh was given this support, and this goes back to the prophecy which the Messenger of Allah made when he said, "Inna ibni hadha As-Sayyid." This son of mine is going to be a leader. Maybe he had heard, most likely he had heard, or also heard this hadith from the Prophet ﷺ, or heard of it. And so now he's acting upon this. What did he do? He stepped down. So he stepped down from this position of leadership. And the scholars, they say that he was the rightful leader in terms of, if you were to compare the Muawiyah radiallahu anh and Al-Hasan radiallahu anh. Of course, Al-Hasan radiallahu anh was of a higher status. And due to his status and due to his leadership and due to his wisdom, he understood that it would be better for me to step down and for Muawiyah radiallahu anh to become the leader. Why? So that it will be an end to any civil wars or fights or killing that may take place between Muslims. And so he was doing it for the betterment of the Muslims. So it shows, first of all, his wisdom. It shows his leadership. It also shows his lack of ego. You know, he didn't have this ego of wanting to be the leader, or trying to compete with Muawiyah radiallahu anh, or just thinking about himself or about his position or his status, or how people might think that he's weak, or that he's accepting defeat, or he's lost, which is what many of us would think. You're stepping down from a rightful position of your father being the leader, and naturally many would think that you're the leader. And stepping down or accepting defeat is something which many of us wouldn't really accept. And if we did, it would be very bitter and very difficult and embarrassing. But this shows us the wisdom of Al-Hasan radiallahu anh, who stepped down. And this was obviously against some of the advice of others, including Al-Husayn radiallahu anh, but it was something which Al-Hasan radiallahu anh did. And so Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan became the leader of the Muslims, and everyone united under Muawiyah ibn Abi Sufyan radiallahu anh.